This is the HP Probook 450 G9 laptop. This was provided by the employer, and this came along with an HP backpack, and the charger included is a 65-watt charger. It comes with the normal barrel pin adapter, as you can see. It has an anti-glare display, and it comes with a Mac startup time. The power on button is over here on the keyboard. It's a backlit keyboard. So this is a Probook series of laptop from HP, meant for professionals. You can see HP Bull security. Yeah, that was pretty quick. It's already been set up by the IT admin team, I believe. So since the stuff is already popped up, so let me go ahead and this is a 15.6-inch display, anti-glare display, which is and 1080p resolution basically. And from a selection of ports, as I said earlier, it's got the Ethernet port over here, and Kensington lock port, and a USB type A port, and two USB type A ports over here as well, and HDMI port, and we've got a 3.5mm jack for routing the audio to your headsets, and we've got a USB type C port as well, and it's got a charger, so I believe it's a fast charging port. And this is the barrel adapter through which I've connected the 65-watt charger. And we've got the LED light indicating the charging is in progress, and it's from a specs point of view, it's got the Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 module, and it's got 16 GB of DDR4 memory clocked at 3200 megahertz. It should have been DDR5. That would have been much better considering the price point. And I believe the SSD over here is 1 terabyte. So apologies, it is 512 GB SSD. So the system should be fast, as you just checked with the boot up time. So let me know. This is more intended towards professionals, so probably you won't be having from a day-to-day usage perspective, there would not be many applications. Probably it is not available off the shelves as well here in India, but it is definitely not meant to play games on, but normal day-to-day tasks for IT professionals, running codes, compiling code, and whatnot. So that's about it, guys. It was a quick review, and yeah, it is lightweight as well. It's quite lightweight considering it's a 6-inch screen, diagonal screen, and with Core i5 12th generation processor. The feedback from the keyboard is good. It has got a tactile feedback, and the key travel is also good. So there are no complaints over there. Obviously, I haven't started using it yet, and I was looking for the power on button. It is situated over here along with the rest of the function keys. So that is a first thing that I observed over here. The speaker grill is quite large as well. Maybe you can let me know in the comments if you need to know the speaker output, the sound output, etc. And as I said earlier, it has got a fingerprint scanner, a dedicated number keyboard as well, which is good. And the arrows are positioned like this. So that is something that we need to take care of. It definitely would be bundled along with Windows 11 Pro. And yeah, that's about it for this short unboxing video of the HP Probook G9. Let me know if you have any questions. Do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you and goodbye for now.